Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to yet another interesting episode of Nelly B Chronicles. In case you're new here, karibu. In case you're returning subscriber, welcome back. This is the channel whereby we have fun, we cook, we laugh and learn. So welcome to this vlog. This is a Christmas vlog. I'm in the village and when I'm in the village they know lazima niingie kwa kitchen, so it's very early in the morning. It's very early in the morning, so ni saa mbili na wameniamsha na vita. So it's 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm not a morning person, you have to forgive me for that. So I promised my family that I'm gonna cook for them some nice mandazis. So right about now I want to prepare the mandazi for breakfast. Tea is ready. Ni mimi nimelala excess, so they were waiting. I don't know why they wake up very early in the village at 7 a.m. Na sisi huku town tunaamka hata saa 5. Mama anasema they are the early birds. Eti yes, sasa hata ashaanza kufua nguo na hajakunywa breakfast. Yeah, who does that? So right about now I want to cook my mandazis. So come along and see how we do it. So this is the dough. I prepared it last night, so it has become soft because imelala the entire night. So I prepared it before we went to sleep. And for the ingredients, it's just the common all-purpose flour. I put some milk. I don't love a lot of milk, so I put milk and I also put water, sugar, a little salt to taste, and 1 egg. So right about now, I want to tengeneza the balls. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll make some balls. So my family love mandazis. They are super excited this early morning because of mandazi. So you see the dough is very soft. So I'll make some tiny balls so that the nini comes zikiwa square. The shape stands out well. So hapa kwa size ni mkono ya mtu inajuanga what is the best size. So some prefer to put it overnight, others for 1 hour, 2 hours, depending. Bora tu you put your dough to rest. So sisi watu tumezoea kupika, we just know the size of the dough. Kinauliza ilikuwa unga ngapi? Sitakwambia, ni kama ni hii nilitumia 1 kg na ikabaki haka kadogo. So hata siwezi pima. I don't measure with cups, I measure with my eyes. Hiyo ndo kukua village chef. Nothing much ya kunini. Ya overdo, sinyo? So for the sizes, ninapimanga tu na macho na mikono na nijue ni gani inaingiana. So I love cooking. Just enjoy cooking. That's why when I'm home I must prepare them some nice meals. ingine kubwa. Kuna. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 4, 40. So those are 40 mandazis. Yes, I'm about to make 40 mandazis because every ball itatoa 4. So right about now, I want to cover this and let them rest for a while as I warm the oil. So here is my pan, the one that I'm going to use. Here at home we use biogas. So this is biogas from cow dung. It's called biogas from Biosystema Company Limited. So this is just manure, dung. Hatujanunua gas from dung, cow dung. Let me show them how it is.
No refilling.
No refill. Unaweka tu mavi ya ng'ombe, unatengeneza biogas. That is the advantage of having a livestock ushago. So first of all, I want to heat the pan. Alafu nitapunguza moto. Yeah. The pan is dry up.
Jambi biogas inanga suit.
Ina suit, oh yeah. And this is clean biogas by the inanga suit. Clean energy. I think it's enough. See? That's enough. So I wait for the oil to heat up, and then now I will start kneading the dough and preparing the mandazis. So stick around, guys. So guys, the oil is already heated up. So I'm starting to knead my dough now. So this is how I knead. Same thing with chapatis, the same way I knead for chapatis. Here you don't need a lot of unga. Might eliminate some. Some hata wanakandanga hapa na mafuta, but I don't like mine being so oily. Oh, na by the way nilisahau kusema part of the ingredients pia unga nimeweka mafuta ndo ziweze kuwa soft na ziive ndani. So you need the dough depending with the size of mandazis you love. If you want tiny mini mandazis, unatengeneza tudogo kabisa. So I cut like that and like this. So let's see if the oil is heated up. Yes, mafuta iko sawa. Yeah, so you see the way can raise. Yeah, the oil is heated up. Na venye kanavura vizuri. So sipendangi mafuta ikiwa imeburn sana excess ziungue. Pata unaweza weka mbili. Hebu tani hiyo. So I'll do this for all of them. They are 40. Easy busy. There are 40 of them. See the way they are rising well. So ukiona erase kabisa unaimwagilianga mafuta juu. Okay, you see, I love them that color. So I'll do that for all of this until I finish up. So see you when they are done. I hope hatutasahau kuwaonyesha tukimaliza. The last time I shot the video, I forgot to show them the finished product. So guys, we are finishing up. Okay, see how the mandazis have turned out nice. Very nice. Let us show them this one. Inside, yeah. Ooh, we don't love ours very meaty. Ni moto. You see, some little meat. Tukipendi ikiwa na manyama sana excessively. And it definitely tastes sweeter. The chief taster and the cook and the taster. Let me taste this one. Very nice and soft. I'm remaining with the just four. So Kiwapi rice tunafanya hivi ndo kavure. Very soft.
Nice one.
Okay, see you at the table, guys, as we enjoy our mandazis. So finally we are on the table and this is how it looks like. The table is clean. My sister is laughing because it has fallen. So this is how it looks like. So goes well with African tea. So mandazi and African tea for breakfast. Allow us to enjoy. Allow us to enjoy. You are not enjoying yours? This is mine. I'm the chief taster. Delicious. Very nice, very nice. I hope you've loved my recipe. This is how they turned out. So in case you are at home, this is the best for the babies. They love mandazis. My nieces love mandazis. Me too. See you in the next one. Bye guys.